That looks like fun. Isaiah with little brother Elijah on his mini bike. All right. He drives that good, doesn't he? With little brother on there. It's a war zone up here with those things.
It is. Got shot in the face earlier.
You did? Ouch. What are those called again?
Gel
Gel blasters, huh? Whee! Oh, you love that, don't you, buddy?
All done.
He wants to keep going.
How do you like your fire truck, huh?
I can't go fast with them on.
Go, go, go.
That thing goes pretty good, doesn't it, that Razor?
You would never allow that. You would never allow that.
Oh, those, like,
Yeah, if it was her kids, she'd never allow it. They're like they're shooting gun down there. You know that little kid that is? That looks bored on there.
yeah, I do, and he shouldn't be out on his own.
I know who it is. It's a radio. It's a radio.
Fun, huh, buddy? How fast does that one go? That goes pretty good, doesn't it? Ride your fire truck, baby. Aw. One more time. Yeehaw.
One more, and one more, and one more. One more.
What?
My ears are.
What?
I hear we Oh, God.
Here they come. Yay. Whee! Must be getting low on juice. Struggles on the hill a little bit. Got the grandkids' house up here. Right there. Second one. Fun Saturday night. Amen.